Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Infura to a Web3 app with MetaMask testing step by step clearly. Begin by setting up your Infura account. Navigate to the Infura website and click the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information and create your account. Once logged in, create a new project by selecting the Create Project option. Enter a name for your project and click Create. After your project is created, copy the project ID displayed on the dashboard. Next, visit the MetaMask website and download the browser extension. Install the MetaMask extension and follow the prompts to create or import a wallet. After setting up MetaMask, ensure you are on the Ethereum mainnet. Click on the MetaMask extension icon in your browser to open it. Select your account and click on the three dots next to it. Choose Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Networks section. Click on Add Network to configure a new network. Enter the following details for the Infura connection. For the network name, input a name you prefer. In the new RPC URL field, paste the Infura endpoint URL by using the format https://mainnet.infura. Input 1 in the chain ID field. For currency symbol, you can enter ETH. Finally, leave the Block Explorer URL blank or input https://etherscan.io. Click Save to add the new network to MetaMask. Now, switch to your new network in MetaMask by selecting it from the drop-down. To check your connection, try sending some test transactions. You can use a testnet such as Robson by repeating similar steps using the appropriate endpoint from Infura. Congratulations, you have connected Infura to your Web3 app using MetaMask. Now you're ready to start developing your decentralized application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.